Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to close your Halifax account online. So let's get started. So it is very easy. You have to follow this process. So first of all, if you are using an application of this app, you have to follow this 3 step simple. So sign in into your accounts. Then you have to click on the 3 dot next to the account you want to close. Then select the close account option from the drop down menu, and if there is money left you can just transfer it, and then you can click on close your account and it will ask you whichever account you have to transfer. Then you can transfer and you can close that account. So by this way you can do it, and it's an easy way. And if you have any questions you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.